Alright guys, new look on the Prelude. We're gonna go over just the wheel. I did it in the other video, but I'm gonna do just a short video of just the wheels for you. The wheel and tire setup. So basically, let me back up here. I changed my setup. If you guys know, I had the clean and clear look is what I call it now. I've went to the black and amber look. Absolutely love this look and the other look. So what I did is these are a cheaper wheel. These aren't, you know, works or nothing crazy. You guys can obtain these, and they all balanced out really well. Very solid wheel in my opinion, and they look great. This is Circuit Performance. I'm gonna put up the stats of everything, the info on it in the corner here. So if I get anything wrong, sorry. I have a couple of wheels here. It's hard to remember all the different ones. But these are Circuit Performance CP28s, I believe, in the gloss black. I just did some black locking lug nuts with them, and these are the same size tires as my other ones, just the speed rating is not as high. These are the Kumo ones, and these are let me go over to the other one here. You see it, they are 205, 50, 15, 86 V speed rating there. So these are stretched a little. I'll show you there, and it is a 0 offset for these, so that's why they are a little wider. Now, it's on TN suspensions, or sorry, TN coilover suspension, and basically, sorry, trying to get a little good video there for you. Basically, yeah, it's a little bit wider. I had to lift it up a little bit to drive it. It does still rub a little bit at this on hard turns, and if there's you know, 4 bodies in the car. I won't be driving it as much right now because I'm gonna be pulling apart and do a lot. If I were, I'd be raising it up just a little bit. You could raise it up just a tad. My fenders are rolled front and rear, so if you are sitting on OEM fenders, I don't know if you're going to clear that quite well. So that is with a rolled fender, front and rear. So just to let you know, if you're expecting to do that in OEM suspension and OEM body, I don't think it'll work out quite as well. You'll probably have a little bit more poke and a little bit more issue. But yeah, that's my wheel and tire setup, guys. Hope you guys enjoy. If you have any other questions, let me know, all right?